fucking with a nigga like me. D to the M to the X. Last I heard, y'all niggas was having sex with the same sex. I show no love to homo thugs. Empty out, reload, and throw more slugs. How you gonna explain fucking a man? Even if we squash the beef, I ain't touching your head. I don't fuck with chumps, but those that been to jail that tap with the coolie on his lips and bumps. I don't fuck with niggas that think they bros. Only know how to be one way, the dog. I know how to get down, know how to bite. Bark very little, but I know how to fight. Know how to chase a cat up in a tree. Man, I get y'all niggas the business for fucking with me. Is you crazy? With the hood, with the hood, with the hood at. Had that nigga in the cut with the wood at. All them niggas acting up with the wolves at. You better bust that if you gon' pull that. With the hood, with the hood, with the hood at. Had that nigga in the cut with the wood at. All them niggas acting up with the wolves at. You better bust that if you gon' pull that. One song, come through, gun storm. Lungs to storm, sun to Mars, from dusk to dawn. Nighttime belongs to the dog. On the street past midnight, look for him in the mall. I don't play with these cats, I get in the set of these cats. But the moments they really do love them, please pray for these cats. Cause I know niggas is hard-headed, but I ain't got the patience. Don't want me having a patience, turning to more patience. One trip to ICU, cause ICU trying to get away with shit a real nigga wouldn't do. Where my dogs at, right here. See them niggas, yeah. See them boys, right. That's how we do, yeah. This is for my dog, this is for my dog. Yo, where we at, baby? Tripping through the fall. From then till now, don't ask me how. Gonna go roll like the nigga there. Every block on the trial. With the hood, with the hood, with the hood at. Had that nigga in the cut with the wood at. All them niggas acting up with the wolves at. You better bust that if you gon' pull that. With the hood, with the hood, with the hood at. Had that nigga in the cut with the wood at. All them niggas acting up with the wolves at. You better bust that if you gon' pull that. Yo, 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 yo. I get bitch doing crimes, time niggas like Briggs making wine. 5 CDs with bad rhymes. Don't hit me with that positive shit, I know you lying. You really wanna stop niggas from dying? Stop niggas from trying. Cause I ain't really got the time to wait. And I thought I told you to keep these fucking bombs at my face. Looking at you in your grill, it might be nice to cut. But I'll split your asses too, you just be twice your butt. Yeah, you right, I know your style pussy cause you fucking it. Since we all here, you hold my dick while he's sucking it, motherfucker. Don't you quit, you never come near me. Shove your head up your ass, have you seeing shit clearly? You never heard the DB running, his DB gunning. I beat my dick and bust up in your eye, so you can see me coming. Empty clips and shells are what I leave behind.